Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable assistive touch on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable assistive touch on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on touch. Now from here, tap on assistive touch. Now from here, just enable this option. Now once you enable this option, a small ball will appear on the screen of your iPhone. Now once you tap on it, it will show you a few actions. Now for an example, if you tap on Control Center, it will open the Control Center with a tap instead of a swipe. Just like that. Now, if you tap on Home, it will go to the home screen. Now from here, if you tap on Notification Center, it will open the Notification Center. Just like that. And this is how you can enable assistive touch on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.